Today I'll be doing a short review of this EasyBaby retractable safety gate. Bought it like a year ago. It says around January 2020. So more like 9 months ago. For around $40. Right now it's selling for $48, $49. And if you really want, you can get the longer one. That's 71 inches for a lower price at $46. So I'll take you to my installed gate right now. It's pretty easy to install. It's just a matter of installing some brackets. So over here is the left side. Just 2 screws on the top, 2 screws on the bottom, and if things don't align well, you have spacers. So I have 3 spacers here, and it's not aligned perfectly. So it pulls out like this. Right now it's still locked position. Just pull it out, close it. That's it. And so right now it's a little loose because I need to lock it. But now once it's locked, it doesn't move anymore. This is the 55-inch gate. And you can see I have this kid who's not too happy about this. Overall it's pretty good. Let me go unlock this. Pull this open. Now he'll be happy. So it's easy to use. The other thing I want to mention is you don't have to buy 2 sets if you're just planning to use it on the upstairs or downstairs. It's nice because they give you another set of mounts. And so we're usually upstairs now, so we have the gate installed for the upstairs. And so we don't have to buy 2 gates, unlike if you buy a metal gate or a plastic gate. Usually you have to buy 2 gates. So this thing easily detaches. You just press the button over here and you lift up and voila, comes straight off. So I can bring it downstairs and install it. So no need for 2 gates. And so for about $50 or $40, you can get it on sale. I think it's a pretty good deal. Anything else? I think I mentioned that the longer 77-inch one is available at a lower price. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to get the 77-inch versus the 55-inch. Again, it's just installing 2 screws, and it has a simple template that you would use. So, and you have to use those plastic plug things so you can install the screws, because it won't stay onto the drywall just with the screws themselves. But that's pretty standard for if you want mounts that are tight and that can't be pulled off. So overall I like this. Again, you don't have to buy 2 gates. You can just easily transfer the gates over like I showed you. Once it just pops in from the top down, and if you want to release it, you just press the bottom button and you lift it up. Right now you lift it up and you take it out. It's super quick release, and I wish we had gotten this back when I had my first kid, because I think these are more convenient than the other metal gates and what's it called, plastic gates. But who knows, whatever your preference is, but that's just my 2 cents.